Nature is not made of separate pieces. Forests, rivers, oceans, wildlife, food systems, and people are all connected. Together, they form a living mosaic. And when one part thrives, the whole landscape becomes stronger. Indonesia is one of the most extraordinary natural mosaics on Earth. From the rainforests of Sumatra and Kalimantan, to the watersheds of Java, to the marine ecosystems of Sulawesi, to the untouched landscapes of Papua, and the mangroves and coastal communities spread across thousands of islands. Each landscape is unique, yet all are connected by one shared future. In Papua and Kalimantan, protecting biodiversity means safeguarding some of the most valuable ecosystems on Earth. Along Indonesia's coastlines, mangroves capture carbon, protect communities, and support fisheries. Across degraded landscapes, restoration can bring forests, water systems, and biodiversity back to life. In the highlands, coffee can be cultivated within healthy forest systems, supporting livelihoods while protecting ecosystems. Diversified cacao systems increase resilience and create sustainable opportunities for rural communities. Crop diversity and regenerative agriculture help feed future generations while restoring the health of the land. The mosaics of nature does not simply create conservation projects. It creates living economies. Communities become custodians of nature, creating livelihoods, strengthening resilience, and ensuring that future generations inherit healthy landscapes, because people and nature must succeed together. In Indonesia, Climate Change Ventures and Changemakers Network Indonesia work together to transform opportunities into impact, combining international expertise with local knowledge, connecting communities, partners, and investors, and developing projects that create value for people, nature, and future generations. Every project follows a journey, from concept to assessment to implementation, and ultimately to long-term stewardship. Because restoring nature is not a short-term effort. It is a commitment that grows over generations. When ecosystems become healthier, communities become stronger, new opportunities emerge, livelihoods improve, and local economies grow. Because the greatest investment we can make is not only in nature, but in the people who live within it. The mosaics of nature, restoring ecosystems, empowering communities, creating lasting value. Climate Change Ventures, in collaboration with Changemakers Network Indonesia.